If you've got a Chevy GMC or a Buick product and your key generally looks like that, we all know how these switchblade keys do like to break, and you have a no start, well, you're going to think it's a starter, battery, etc, etc, etc. I'm going to show you exactly probably what it is and get you on the road again. So as you see here, I'm going to try and start it. This is the key. It's usually on the keychain, strung around with the other stuff. The fob is not too far behind it. Now at this point, you're probably going to think, oh man, my starter, my battery is the issue, or it could be something else, when in fact it's actually a security issue. So if I take the key fob and just kind of hold it together in this janky little condition here, there we go. Try it again, all in real time here. Foot on the brake again. It starts. It's now running. What it is a security issue. That's what's going on here. So like I said, what's going on is a security issue. There's a sensor inside there. It needs to see the key and allow it to start. If it doesn't see something that makes it happy, it's going to think you're trying to steal the car. It's anti-theft security issue. So basically, what you can do with this is if the customer's on a budget, you know, like my one here, I'm just going to basically JB weld this all together and make it a single key. They do not have a spare key that I know of, and I do not have any around that are in that configuration for this vehicle type, so I could just reprogram it myself. And again, they're on a budget, so hopefully that helps somebody out there. If you are stranded somewhere and it's not starting and your key fob is broken or looks like that, just kind of hold it together and try what I just showed you.